Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it. Well, today I just thought I'd have a quick go at cleaning and respraying the side trims around your windscreen on the E91. Now it should be quite an easy job. As you can see, you just clip on. I'm gonna have to give all this a clean before I put it back together, but dead easy, just pop off. So I've got both sides off. I've just got them in the garage, just giving them a quick sand and a mask, and I'm going to have a go at spraying them gloss black. Now I'll just show you what the old ones look like. So these are the old ones. I'll say they're silver, but you can see there's been quite a bit of oxidisation behind the paint and they don't look very good on the car. So I've already had a go at this one, masked it up, still got a little bit to do, but sanded it back, so we're getting that quite nice and smooth. And once I've got this one done, masked up, I'll give them a quick spray and gloss black, let them dry, and we'll see what they look like on the car. I think they should look quite nice. They'll probably match the black wheels and the black grille. Also considering spraying the shark fin on the car, but as I say, it's just a quick little Sunday mod, and we'll see what they look like. So this is all I'm doing with the masking, doing it in small sections. We'll just lay the masking tape on with a slight overlap on the silver, and I've got a little tool here, so we'll just pull the rubber back and pop that in. So we'll just been going around the whole trim, just doing this so we don't get any paint on the rubbers. As I say, if you do get a bit of paint on the rubber, it's not the end of the world, because you will just be able to scrape it off with a knife. But as you can see, that's popping in. So I've done the other one. Ooh. And I'll just get this one finished off, won't show you the whole process, and we'll get them sprayed black. So with this now, I've got them sanded back, masked off, so I'm just going to give them a little bit of a degreaser, not too much, obviously let that degrease them, let this just flash off, and then hopefully get a bit of black on them, see what they look like. So we've just got the strips fitted back on the car. As you can see, I think it looks quite nice. I'm not 100% with the finish. They look quite good, gloss black, you can see the shiny. There's a couple of little areas that I do need to redo. To be honest, I'll probably redo these again. It was just mainly to see what they look like on the car. As I say, I quite like them. They look a lot nicer than the old oxidised silver ones. I don't think you even really notice that they've been done, so it's quite a subtle mod. I'm quite happy with that. So what do you guys think? Remember, like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. Hope you're liking the content. See you later.